the renovation isn't quite finished. Should I still book the clean?
We strongly recommend waiting until all major trade work is complete before booking your final post-renovation clean. Here's why. Ongoing works, even minor ones, can reintroduce dust and debris, undoing the clean. Wet paint, grout, or silicone can be accidentally marked or compromised. You'll get better value and a longer lasting result once everything is installed and dry. That said, we understand some clients have tight timelines, especially when moving back in or preparing for a handover. In these cases, we offer staged cleaning, a rough clean now, and a final polish later. Touch-up cleans for last-minute trades after our main visit. Coordination with your builder or site supervisor. If you're unsure, just send us a few photos or a renovation update. We'll advise you on the ideal timing so you don't waste money or effort.